Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys today to talk about It's a Wrap. For you guys who was here on my last video, you guys know the other project that we were going to work was a beautiful wrap. And if you wasn't, here's the pattern right here. How beautiful. And now let me show you mine. This is it right here, you guys. This is my beautiful wrap. Came out beautiful. I adore it. I really like it. And so that's the wrap. Now, okay, so the pattern, we needed a 10mm hook. The pattern should have been at 12 by 65. We had the yardage was 264 yard for the whole thing. One skein was 132 yards, 132 yards. And this one right here is a mixed blend, you guys. It is 90% acrylic and 10% nylon, right? So it was a beautiful blend going on right there. And it was a 5 bulky weight. And the stitches were a treble crochet and a single crochet. And we have a border, which that was worked up as chain 3, skip a chain, and then you slip stitched into the another chain. And I'll show you guys that beautiful border. Here it is right there. This is the border. You can see that. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so let's talk about this, right? Okay, so you guys, when I read this pattern, I knew that I did not have a 10mm hook. So all I had was a 9. So going into this, I knew that it was going to be short. It was going to be something that's going to be happening. I knew that because I did not have the Pacific materials for it to look or be like to be like theirs, right? So theirs were, like I said in the beginning, was 12 by 65. Now mine is 10 by 55. Wow, what a difference, right? And I thought this, I'm like, what a great opportunity this would be to talk about just changing your hook size would change your project, right? So this is what happened. And by mine just being the length, and it came out perfect for me. I really enjoyed it and got compliments on it and wore it already. So it came out perfect for me. But I knew this going in. And I think when you are reading a pattern, and like I had stated before in my other past videos, is that you always you read your patterns, highlight, make sure you have all of your things so you will know what's ahead of you as you're going forward with this pattern. So that's what happened. I knew that's what was going to happen, and it turned out so nice, you guys. I really like I said, I really adored it. And then I was thinking as I'm crocheting, as I always am, this one right here, the skill level was easy. Actually, I finished this a week after the video, you guys. All I was doing was waiting until I got my next project so I can come on and I can show you guys what we're going to be talking about next time. So, but that's later. But I was thinking, I said, it would be great to make another, not to make another video, but to make another one of these wraps, but use a different kind of yarn. And I thought of Homespun by Lion Brand, which is this one right here, you guys. This one is Homespun by Lion Brand, and I love this yarn. This would be a beautiful with this. Now this is also a 5 bulky weight. This one right here, and it's acrylic. It's 100% acrylic. So only thing, it doesn't have the nylon in it. But if you do a treble crochet, that is big, so you would have the same flow as what this one is. It will come out very nice. And so I'm thinking about working me one up in here. and I think it would be really great to see it in this yarn right here. And I think that, yeah. And so you guys, and I showed you the border. There's really not too much to say about this one this time, but I do have some other news for you guys. I have started a crochet group on Facebook, and it is called Just Crochet. And it is a private group where you can join, and we can come and we can talk about crochet, our ups and downs of patterns, our struggles, our likes, our happiness, show our projects, talk about what we're making, any comments that anybody have, just the whole 9 yards. To come there and just be relaxed and know that you won't get laughed at, ridiculed, or whatever it may be. It is a group where you can join and we can have a lot of fun. I have already stuck some patterns in there and hoping that you guys will enjoy the pattern. If you decide to join, it is free to join, and to just talk to other crocheters and hang out with other crocheters and talk about it. Because that's what I love to do, talk about crochet, you guys. So that's exciting news for me. I'm like really reaching to make crochet a beautiful place. It's a beautiful art, and I truly enjoy doing crochet, and I just want that for everyone else. So yes, so that's that over there, you guys. Let's get into our next project. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna open it up and take out the pattern. Oh my word, you guys, look how beautiful this is. Okay, I'm excited about this because you know what? First of all, it's a purse, and it's a chain purse. And I haven't made one of these in a very long time. So I am excited about working this up for you guys so we can talk about it, right? So this is the yarn right here. So let's see. Okay, so we have 3 balls of this right here of the blue, and then we have 1 ball of the gray, and I believe we have, yes, we have the hardware. Yes, you guys, the hardware. I have some D-rings, and let me open it for you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm destroying my little bag. It's taking too long. D-rings. They gave me 2 D-rings and a big button, and it's metal. It's like, yeah, it's not plastic. And a little one for my little corn purse. How exciting is this, right? You guys hear that? So it is metal. They're not plastic at all. So I am really looking forward to making this, you guys. I wanted to say, I know this is off a little bit, but I wanted to put that out there to you guys. This week I heard a debate on what do you call your yarn as far as a skein or a ball. And there was a lot of comments, lot of comments, a lot of discussion on this. And one person said that, which I really thought this was so sounds good to me, was a skein is something that when you actually is when it look like the figure eight and it's yarn and it looks like that and it's like about this long, and then a ball which is like this, right? So they said when it's a skein is when it looks like that, and then when you take it loose and turn it into a ball because you get the machine and then you turn it all into a ball, then it's a ball. And I thought that's so true. Because for so long, you guys, so many people has been calling these beautiful things right here skeins. And I cannot, I'm like, this is a skein. This looks like a ball to me. So, yes, you guys, I would love to know what you think. Do you think a skein a ball, or do you think that when you transfer it, the eight, the yarn, what it looks like eights into a ball, is that sound okay? Or just tell me your story. I would love to hear it, you guys. Love to hear it. Okay, you guys, that is it for me. I just want to say when you are working with your hands, you guys, you are always have peace within your heart, you guys. I wish you guys a beautiful, beautiful weekend this week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye from now.